Zing.
लैक्मे फैशन वीक इज ऑन एंड इन फुल स्विंग। मुंबई में हो रहे इस फैशन वीक में शो स्टॉपर्स कम और शो वॉचर्स ज्यादा नजर आ रहे हैं। So who walked for who and who all arrived? Let's take a look at this glitzy glam studded event.
Sonal Chauhan, Karishma Kapoor, Aisha Takia, Zarina Jetli.
ऐसी हसीन हो जिसको छू लो उसको हसीन कर दो।
मुंबई में लैक्मे फैशन वीक विंटर कलेक्शन की शुरुआत भले ही ठंडी रही हो, लेकिन डे 2 पर हमें ये बॉलीवुड ब्यूटीज नजर आई एज शो वॉचर्स। टेक अ लुक अगेन। सबसे पहले लेट्स टेक अ लुक एट अर्चना कोचर्स गर्ल्स। आयशा टाकिया, भाग्यश्री, सेलिना जेटली और युक्ता मुखी ये सब पहुंची थी टू टेक द फ्रंट बेंच टू अर्चना कोचर शो एंड दे ऑल लुक गॉर्जियस इन हर कलेक्शंस। इनके साथ थे अर्जुन बाजवा और शमा सिकंदर भी वाचिंग द शो। अर्चना की शो स्टॉपर बनी एक्स मिस इंडिया अंकिता शौरी, जो लग रही थी काफी खूबसूरत इस सनबर्न्ड ड्रेस में।
What she's done is she's given me a gown with a chudidar. So she's done a fusion of Indian and Western. So I really like the fusion in it, and it completely suits my personality.
I love glamorous clothes, and that's why I think Archana's stuff, though as she said she tried to stick out a bling, she just couldn't get the glamour out of her clothes. They're really glamorous.
I'm here as usual to see some wonderful work by many best designers. And
well, Selena की ड्रेस काफी प्रिटी थी, लेकिन Selena needed a better makeup job. Notice the face. चलिए छोड़िए सेलिना के पिंपल्स, अब देखते हैं लैक्मे में बॉलीवुड की टॉप रैंप वॉकर सोनल चौहान, जिन्होंने वॉक किया रीना ढाका के लिए। Dressed in a pretty golden metallic crusted corset with a soft transparent lehenga, Sonal looked stunning. लेकिन the neckline was a bit too heavy. More on that from Sonal herself.
I feel beautiful. I think every woman who wants to look beautiful must own a piece from Reena Dhaka.
Karishma Kapoor looked pretty and slim, or as usual, Karishma was in a hurry. Twinkle Khanna bhi aayi thi, minus hubby Akshay. Chunky Pandey too made an appearance. Sikandar Kher, Nandita Mehtani और Pooja Bedi to name a few. Well, तो ये था day 2. Let's also show you what happened on day 1. लैक्मे फैशन वीक का डे 1 काफी ठंडा रहा। Day 1 was opened with Rohit Bal showcasing his collection of Indian wear, and to walk for him was his favorite Arjun Rampal.
Rohit Bal's clothes always reflect his mood and what he's thinking at that point in time. And I think he's in a happy phase in his life right now, and he's making wonderful stuff and he's creating stuff with joy.
जी हाँ, अर्जुन लग रहे थे काफी excited रैंप वॉक करते हुए, celebrating all the way. And Arjun had a lot of interesting things to say about the fashion week.
And the more businesses you create in the fashion industry, you create more employment. And for me, when you create more employment, it really means that you educate more children, you get more food at home, and that's what better than that.
Well, we have no idea what that was about. And on day 1 came fellow designers Rocky S and Narendra Kumar Ahmed. इनके अलावा to watch the show were Mansi Scott and JJ Valaya. Well, तो ये था लैक्मे फैशन वीक विंटर कलेक्शन का day 1 and 2 का अपडेट। Stay tuned for day 3 right here on World of Bollywood.
Zing, 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 go zing.